I don't know if we're still saying Happy New Year. We'll just go with it, right? And many of you may be working on your New Year's resolutions, and eating healthier, just being stronger, getting more veggies in a diet is always certainly a good thing to have. And you know, there are some natural ways to sort of make sure you feel full so you don't overeat. And we have Jamie Miller from Village Health here to kind of explain, because we're all looking for ways to obviously stay healthy and not be starving all day long.
Well, have you heard of some trendy things with the medications called GLP-1? That is a hormone that makes you feel naturally, it regulates your appetite and then also keeps your blood sugar stable. Super important, but we can actually do that with food. We don't need side effects of medication and the cost and all of that. So I'm going to show you some foods. Really what the key is fiber, protein, and healthy fats, okay? So for breakfast, a great thing you could do are these protein overnight oats. Now, not only do I have protein powder in them for that protein, but they are 3 awesome sources of fiber. There's soluble fiber in oats. Chia seeds are also super high in fiber and also healthy fats. And then blueberries, or all berries, are one of the highest fiber fruits. So you make an overnight oats, great for kind of a meal prep situation, really gonna keep you satisfied for that whole morning long. If you want something more kind of savory, this is a hard-boiled egg bowl. I think about it kind of like a chunky guacamole with eggs and egg whites. So we start with eggs and egg whites. I have 2 hard-boiled eggs, 2 egg whites, so that there is good healthy fats and micronutrients in the yolk. We also want the protein of the egg white as well. So we do 50-50. And then this is super easy, especially if you buy your hard-boiled eggs already cooked. You could buy some pre-made pico de gallo. We have some bell pepper, and both of those are going to be not only full of vitamins, but also full of fiber. And then fiber-filled healthy fats of some avocado. And then with salt and pepper, and you just stir it, and then we could have some high fiber crackers on the side. So actually a really simple breakfast, but like that's very volume filled, right?
Totally.
Volume is very important when it comes to satisfaction as well, right? So super delicious. Then for lunch, we're gonna take a very boring can of tuna, we're really gonna elevate it. So instead of mayo, we're gonna add some kind of Mediterranean flavor. So again, lots of volume with all of that fresh produce. So I have bell pepper and cucumber and red onion, and then I have some olives, so I have a mix of Kalamata and black, but you could do whatever you'd want there. That's gonna be great healthy fats, monounsaturated healthy fats, fiber from chickpeas, or you could also do white beans if you want, some parsley, and then some lemon juice. Stir that all together, and then it's kind of like a tuna salad. Have it with some lettuce, like lettuce cups, and maybe some crackers on the side. But again, volume filled, really high fiber, high protein, healthy fats.
We love it. And really, like tuna salad, I always have tuna, and I'm like, what am I gonna do with this? It gets boring when it's just the tuna.
But the hard part is that usually you're like, I don't have time to cook. Did you cook anything? No, this is all cans, So, and then the last thing for dinner, this is a noodle-free pad thai. So instead of noodles, you're using broccoli slaw. Have you ever seen a bag of broccoli slaw?
Yeah, I have.
So you cook it down, and it almost becomes like a noodle-like texture. And then some lean protein of the shrimp, and then healthy fats of some nuts. So all volume-filled, high-fiber, healthy fat, high-protein things to satisfy, but also make sure you naturally release that GLP-1.
We love it. And you know what? It's like, I know a lot of people at home maybe feel bad because they made resolutions. A lot of people don't even make them because it's like, what's the point?
Right.
But getting more veggies is always going to be the goal.
It's never going to lead you wrong.
No, and you make it so easy, and you make all of this look so good. So we love it, especially this one. I love this combination of the egg salad.
It's delicious.
Yum.
Everyone loves guacamole and pico de gallo, right? There's some eggs to it.
Jamie, thank you so much. And then the recipes will also be on our website, azfamily.com.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, of course. Thank you. We're going to send it out.